The atomic bomb, also known as the A-bomb or Little Boy, was the first weapon of its kind ever created. Developed during World War II by a team of scientists, the atomic bomb was designed to harness the immense energy released by the splitting of atomic nuclei. The bomb was first tested on July 16, 1945 in Alamogordo, New Mexico. The creation of the atomic bomb was the result of a massive effort known as the Manhattan Project. The project was headed by General Leslie Groves and physicist J. Robert Oppenheimer, and brought together some of the brightest minds in science and engineering from around the world. The goal of the project was to develop a weapon that could harness the immense energy released by the splitting of atomic nuclei, known as nuclear fission. The project was launched in 1939, and scientists worked tirelessly to develop a method for creating a chain reaction in uranium, which would release a large amount of energy. The team eventually succeeded in creating a self-sustaining chain reaction, and the first atomic bomb was tested on July 16, 1945. The test, known as Trinity, was conducted in Alamogordo, New Mexico, and resulted in an explosion equivalent to the detonation of 20,000 tons of TNT. Oppenheimer is famously quoted, reciting a Hindu script, "I am become death, the destroyer of worlds." This bomb was later dropped on the Japanese cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki on August 6 and 9, respectively. The bombings resulted in the deaths of approximately 200,000 people, most of them civilians. The bombings, along with the subsequent surrender of Japan, marked the end of World War II. The bombings were met with widespread horror and condemnation, and many people were left questioning the morality of using such a devastating weapon. It also marked the first and only time that nuclear weapons have been used in warfare. The bombings also ushered in the nuclear age, and the world was now faced with the reality that a new and devastating form of warfare was possible. This realization led to a renewed focus on arms control and disarmament, and the development of new international agreements, such as the Nuclear Non-Proliferation Treaty, aimed at preventing the spread of nuclear weapons. The bomb also led to the development of new technologies, such as the nuclear reactor, which is used to generate electricity. Today, there is an ongoing political struggle over which countries should have access to this power. Many countries could benefit from a nuclear reactor to generate electricity that will power homes and buildings. However, they would also have the ability to produce atomic bombs which can be used against their enemies or sold on the black market to terrorist organizations. What are your thoughts? Comment below.